In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your activity history on Windows. Whether you're looking to review your past activities or simply want to clear your activity history for privacy reasons, this guide will walk you through each step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Windows settings. You can do this easily by clicking on the Start menu, which you'll find at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once there, you should see an icon that looks like a gear. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the Settings window, a hub for all your system configurations. Once you're in the Settings window, the next step is to locate and select the Privacy and Security option. This section is key to managing everything related to your privacy settings on your device. By clicking on Privacy and Security, you'll get access to a range of options designed to help you control what information is shared and stored on your device. Now that you're in the Privacy and Security section, look for an option labeled Activity History. This feature keeps a record of what you've done on your computer, like what applications you've opened and the files you've worked on. Clicking on Activity History will provide you with various settings and options related to your activity data. In this step, you'll want to view your activity history to assess what has been recorded. You'll notice some options labeled as privacy resources or something similar. These options typically provide more detailed information about the data that's being collected and how it's used. This is an excellent way for you to get a comprehensive view of your activity and ensure you're comfortable with what's being stored. If your goal is to clear your activity history, you're almost done. Within the Activity History section, you'll see a button labeled Clear History. By clicking this button, you will delete the collected activity data from your device. It's that simple. Keep in mind, though, that clearing your history doesn't prevent future activity data from being collected. You'll need to adjust your privacy settings if you wish to stop it entirely. And there you have it. You're all done. By following these steps, you've successfully managed your activity history on Windows. It's always a good idea to regularly review and clear your activity data, not only to free up some system resources, but also to maintain your privacy. We hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out more resources or reach out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.